Ride that skateboard, Mercedes. Ride it. I know how to ride a skateboard. Well, yeah, everyone knows that because I'm tomboy. Let's go outside, go down the hill. Dude, your elbow's like in my video camera. It's seriously in my video camera. Not this hill, it's too narrow. It's too narrow. And it's freezing out here.
Not really.
You could try to break us and make us fall. So you're still eating, I see. Look at that.
I gotta
Okay,
eat,
go.
because I'm going on a diet.
Go.
It's called a Christian diet.
Okay, go.
Where you just
Here,
eat
I'll do
fruits
it.
and vegetables.
I'll do
No. Where you just eat fruits and vegetables. Bread.
Ow. Okay.
Fruits and
Do the
vegetables,
skateboard.
bread.
Do the skateboard.
Wait,
I'm gonna
and
take it away
soup.
from-
And that's all you eat. Anything that God created. That's what you
Okay.
eat.
Okay. Go.
Are you like taking a picture of my butt?
No, I'm videotaping. What do you think? I said standing. Go. Why are you in a stupid skirt? Hold on. I didn't see that. Let me try. Hold the video camera. Hold it. Here.
I want to see what mine looks like.